Hello student, today's topic is triangle. What is meant by triangle? Triangle is a closed figure formed by three angles, three sides, three vertices. This is the triangle ABC. The name of triangle may be written as triangle ABC or start with B, triangle BAC or triangle CAB. Triangles having three vertices, vertex A, vertex B, vertex C. Triangles have three angles, angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle A written in three letters BAC. Angle A, that is BAC. Angle B, ABC. Write the vertex in between. Angle C is written as ACB or BCA. These are the three angles. Now, sides, three sides. Side AB, side BC, and side AC. Triangles have three vertices. Triangles have three angles. Triangles have three sides. Now, opposite angle, opposite side. Opposite side of angle A, BC. Opposite side of angle C, AB. Opposite side of vertex B, AC. Opposite angles, opposite sides. Adjacent side, BC's adjacent side is AC or AB. Triangle is in the plane. This is the plane. So, this plane is divided into three parts, interior part, exterior part and a triangle itself. For example, in the interior of the triangle, there is the 3 points, point A, point B and point C. This is the interior part of a triangle. Point D and point E and point F are the exterior part of the triangle. And point A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, these are the triangle. These points are on the triangle. The plane is divided into three parts, interior part, exterior part and a triangle itself. Triangular region. What is meant by triangular region? The interior of the triangle, all the interior part of the triangle and the triangle itself forming the triangular region. The area of this triangle, suppose here is the height of triangle, AD is the height of triangle. So triangular region, area of the triangular region, 1/2 base into height. 1/2 height is AD and so base is BC. Now properties of triangle. Exterior angle. ACD is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. In ABC, triangle ABC, angle ACD is an exterior angle. Now, what is meant by exterior angle? The linear pair formed by the interior angle of a triangle, then it is the exterior angle. The sum of these two angles is 180. Then this angle is called as the exterior angle. Angle which form the linear pair with the interior angle called as the exterior angle. Then how many exterior angle can be drawn to a triangle? There are 6 exterior angle can be drawn. At each vertex, there is 2 exterior angle. total number of 6 exterior angle of a triangle. Number 1, this is number 2, this is also forming a linear pair, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 exterior angle can be drawn. Now what is this angle? This is the opposite of the interior angle. Suppose angle A is of 50 degree and angle B is 60 degree. Now what is the measure of the angle C? You all know that the sum of measure of all the angles of a triangle is 180. That is angle A plus major angle A plus major angle B plus major angle C is equal to 180. A 50, B 60. So angle C, what is that angle? What is the measure of the angle C? C is 70. So angle C equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70. The sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. 50 plus 60, 110. So remaining C is 70 degree. Now what is the measure of this angle? ACD. This form the linear pair. That is the sum of these two angle. Angle A, angle C plus angle ACD equal to 180. Linear pair. 70 plus ACD equal to 180. So angle ACD equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. This angle is exterior angle. Measure of the exterior angle is 110. So observe these two numbers, 50 plus 60. 50 plus 60, 110. This is also 110. So we say that the measure of the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the remote interior angle. These two are called as the remote interior angle. The 110 equal to 50 plus 60. The sum of the exterior angle is equal to sum of the remote interior angle. Now type of the triangle. Based on the angle, acute angle. If the three angles of a triangle is less than 90, then the acute angles are formed. This is the acute angle triangle. The angles are less than 90. All the angles are less than 90 called as the acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle. One angle is right angle, that is 90, called as the right angle triangle. And number 3, obtuse angle triangle. The one angle is greater than 90. One angle is greater than 90 called as the obtuse angle triangle. Based on the side, if the three sides of a triangle are congruent, then the triangle is called as the equilateral triangle. Number 2, isoscalene triangle. If two sides are equal, then the triangles are called as the isoscalene triangle. Number 3, scalene triangle. All the sides of different length called as the scalene triangle. These are the 6 types of the triangles. Now next is altitude of a triangle. Altitude means height of the triangle. The perpendicular drawn from the vertex to the opposite side. AD, this perpendicular is drawn to the opposite side BC. Perpendicular drawn from vertex to the opposite side called as the altitude. This is the height of triangle. 3 altitudes can be drawn from 3 vertex and the point of congruence. These 3 altitudes are intersect at one point. Now next is the median of a triangle. If the line segment joining vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side, suppose BC is the 8 centimeter, D is at the 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Take a midpoint of BC and join the vertex A. This is called as the median. midpoint of the opposite side and vertex. These points are joined by the line segment, and this is called as the median. We can draw the three median of a triangle, and these three medians are also concurrence, point of concurrence. Now this is the triangle PQR. S is the midpoint of the QR. S is the midpoint of QR. QS equal to SR. This is the median. So PS is the median. And PT, perpendicular drawn. PT is the altitude. Next is angle bisector of a triangle. Take PQR. Triangle PQR. Find out the angle bisector of the angle Q. By using the compass, find out the angle bisector of Q, angle bisector of P, and angle bisector of the R. By using the compass, find out the angle bisector of PQR. This is the angle bisector of the triangle. And if we take the radius of this perpendicular to the side, take this radius and we make the inner circle. We can draw incircle of a circle. If we bisect the triangle, then at the center of the three bisector, we get the radius of the incircle, and incircle of the center is always lying in the triangle. First of all, we see the congruent triangles. Look at these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These two triangles are completely matched to each other. Their sides, the angles are completely fit to each other. These two angles are called as the congruent triangle. Suppose these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ABC, congruent, the sign of congruent, triangle PQR. And these triangles are congruent by one correspondence. Now what is mean by the correspondence? The angle A and angle P. These two, A, B, C, corresponding to A is corresponding to P, B is correspondence to Q, C is correspondence to R. By this correspondence, these two triangles are congruent. These two triangles, ABC and PQR. These two triangles are matched or congruent by correspondence ABC and PQR. Now I change the correspondence. I take ABC and change this correspondence. I take A and R. R, P, Q. I take this correspondence. A and R, A and R, B and P, B and P, and C and Q. Look at this. Is these two triangles are congruent? No. These two triangles are congruent when there is only this correspondence. A, P, C, R, and B, Q. When we change the correspondence, these two triangles cannot be congruent to each other. But when I take two equilateral triangles, the side of these two triangles are equal, that is, they are the equilateral triangle. Now, when I take this A as R, AR, BP, BP, and CQ, these two triangles are congruent. At any correspondence, I change the correspondence. This correspondence is AR, BP, CQ, that is ABC, AR, BP and CQ. Equilateral triangle, there are 6 correspondents. You may change this triangle as many as times, 6 times. There are total 6 correspondents. We can write the 6 correspondents. ABC corresponding to PQR, number 1. ABC, I change this sequence, Q, PRQ, ABC, QPR, ABC, Q, change this one, RP, number 5, ABC, RPQ, number 6, ABC, RQP. There are six ways we can write the correspondence, and 2 triangles are congruent by only one correspondence only. But it is equilateral triangle, take any correspondence, the triangles are congruent to each other. And when the triangle is isosceles triangle, the two corresponding ways, the triangles are congruent. This is the correspondence. Write down the correspondence of the sides and angle. Angle A corresponds to angle P. Angle B is correspondence to angle Q. Angle C is correspondence with angle R. Side AB correspondence to side PQ. Side BC correspondence to side QR, and side AC, A and C, last two, A and C, here is P and R, correspondence to side PR. And if these are the congruent, these 2 triangles are congruent, then we can write also this A angle is congruent with P angle, B angle congruent with Q angle, C angle congruent with R angle, and side also. AB congruent with PQ, BC congruent with QR, and AC congruent with PR. When 2 triangles are congruent, then 3 angles and the 3 corresponding angles of 2 other triangle is also congruent. 3 sides of one triangle is congruent with 3 sides of other triangle. Next is test for congruence of triangle. 2 triangles are congruent by different tests. First test is side angle side test. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here AB side congruent to PQ side, BC side congruent with QR side, and in between these 2 sides there is angle B congruent with angle Q. So these 2 triangles are congruent by test of side angle side test. If 3 sides of one triangle is congruent with the other corresponding sides of other triangle, then 2 triangles are congruent by side test. Angle side angle test, 2 sides and included and 2 angles and included side is congruent with, if 2 angles are congruent and in between there is the side, so these 2 triangles are congruent by angle side test. Angle side angle test. Now practice set 3.4. Number 1 question. How many exterior angle does a triangle have? Look at the picture. This is the exterior angle. What is meant by exterior angle? The angle which makes the linear pair to the interior angle called as the exterior angle. Here is one angle. Now this is also making a linear pair. At a vertex C there are 2 exterior angles. Similar way, at A vertex and B vertex, or angle A or angle B, we can draw the two exterior angles. Now total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 exterior angle can be drawn. So answer is option number 2. Now second one. Which set of points is laying in the given triangular region? What is meant by triangular region? The interior part and the triangle itself called as the triangular region. Now, first option is VPRA. V is the exterior point, so this option is wrong. Number 2, PSTU. U is at exterior point. This option is also wrong. WACR. WACR. W, there is no any W here. So this option is wrong. A, C, R, C and R. But where is the W in this given example figure? There is no W. So this option is wrong. Now BXST, B, X, S and T. This is the set of the points which are in the triangular region. What is meant by triangular region? The interior of the triangle and a triangle itself forming the triangular region. So option number 4 is correct. Question number 3. In triangle PQR, angle P37, angle Q90, R53, which type of a triangle is it? See this 3 measurement of the angle. The angle Q is a 90 degree. So triangle is a right angle triangle. One angle is right angle, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Now next question is, the measure of angles of a triangle are 91 degree, 48 degree and x degree. Then find the value of x. These are the measure of the 3 angles of a triangle. You know that measure of the sum of measure of all the angles of a triangle is 180. The sum of measure of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So 91 plus 48 plus x equal to 180. 139 plus x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 minus 139, x equal to 41. So our answer is option number 3. No need to write all that. First add these two number, then subtract this number. Only do these steps and find out the answer. Next question. An angle forming a linear pair with the angle of triangle is called linear pair. Here is the formation of the linear pair with the interior angle. With an angle of a triangle is called the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. Linear pair forming with an angle of a triangle called as the exterior angle. Number 7. Which points are common in interior of the triangle? Look at the figure. SPT, SPT, MN. PQR, PQR, biggest triangle. QTP, QTP. This M and N, these 2 points are the common interior of the 3 triangle. That is the MN, option number 3. Now next question. In the adjacent figure, how many triangles have point R as their vertex? P, T, R. R is the vertex. Take R as the vertex. Number 1 triangle P, T, R. Number 2 vertex R, T, S. Number 2 triangle R, T, S. Number 3 R, T, Q. And number 4 R, P, Q. Triangle R, P, Q. R, T, P, this one, R, T, Q, R, T, S and R, P, Q. Four triangles have point R. Next question. By which of the following segment or line a triangle is divided into two triangles having equal area? Option 1 is perpendicular bisector of a side. If I draw a triangle, I take the perpendicular bisector of the side. Suppose this is the perpendicular bisector of the side AB. Now look at the figure. Is the area is equal? No. So this option is wrong. Number 3, I take the altitude. Altitude, that is the height of triangle. Suppose triangle is PQR. I take the altitude PS. PS the altitude. Is two area is equal? No. This area is not equal. Number 3, I take the median. Number 2, median. Median, what is mean by the median? Median is the segment joining the midpoint of the opposite side and the vertex. These two sides are equal and this is the median. And so, look at the figure. These two areas are equal. So, our option number 2 is the right. Not an angle bisector also. Suppose I draw the triangle and I take the angle bisector. These two area is not equal. So, our answer is median. Median, the segment median or a line which divide the triangle into two equal areas. Next question. How many correspondence are there between the vertices of two congruent equilateral triangles? Suppose two equilateral triangles are ABC and PQR. These two triangles, equilateral triangles, are congruent. Look at these two triangles. These two triangles are equilateral congruent triangle. Now, I change the correspondence. How many times I change it? 6 times. I can change it by 6 times. All the correspondence. There are the 6th pair of the correspondence. Take any correspondence and these two triangles are congruent. So, 6 is our answer. Option number 1, 6. We can write the correspondence by 6 ways, and if the two triangles are equilateral triangle, the 6 ways the equilateral triangles are congruent. Next question. If triangle XYZ congruent triangle CBA, then which of the following alternative is false? Now first alternative, C is congruent with X, angle C congruent with X, right? C is congruent with angle X. Number 2, AB ZY. AB ZY. This is also right. Number 3 option, ZYX. ZYX, angle ZYX congruent with ABC. This is also right. Number 4, XY. XY side congruent with AB. This is the wrong option. This is the wrong option. XY is congruent with BC side. So our which statement is false? Option number 4. Answer is option number 4. This is the false statement. Next question. In the adjoining figure, triangle ABC, line L is. What is this line? This is the perpendicular. And BC is divided into two equal parts. That is the side perpendicular bisector of BC. This is the perpendicular bisector of BC. So our option number 1 is right. This is bisector of AC? No. This is the bisector of side. BC is the correct answer. Now next question. What is the segment called which is formed by the joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side? Triangle. This is the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side called as the median. This is the median of a triangle. So our option number 3 is the answer. Vertex to the opposite side called as the median. In the option below, length of sides to draw a triangle are given. In which option we can't draw a triangle? Now use the rule. Rule is that the sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Now here is 4.5 plus 3, 7.5 is greater than 6. 3 plus 6 is 9, greater than 4.5. 4.5 plus 6, 10.5 is greater than 3. We can draw this triangle and check all the sides and addition of their sides. Option number 3, 4.5 plus 2, 6.5, and third side is 7, which is less than. The addition of two sides is always greater than the third side, but here is 6.5. Addition of these two numbers is 6.5, which is less than 7. So we cannot draw this triangle. This is 6.5 plus 4, 10.5 greater than 5. 4 plus 5, 9 greater than 6.5. 6.5 plus 5, 11.5, which is greater than 4. We can draw it. We can 1, 2, 3 triangles can be drawn, but this triangle cannot be drawn. When we draw the 7 centimeter and then 4.5 centimeter, now take the 2 centimeter, the closed figure cannot be drawn. Try it, this triangle cannot be drawn. So answer is option number 3. Now next question. What is the segment called which is formed by the drawing a perpendicular vertex to the opposite side? Suppose this is the triangle ABC. And I draw the perpendicular from vertex A to the opposite side. And what is this is called? This is the altitude or height of triangle. This is called as the altitude. Perpendicular drawn to the opposite side is called as the altitude of a triangle. Now next question. The measure of angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Then which type of triangle is it? Let common multiple, take a common multiple x 1 as to 2 as to 3, that is x, 2x and 3x. The angles are x plus 2x plus 3x. Addition of 3 angles is equal to 180. X plus 2x, 3x. 3x plus 3x, 6x. 6x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 divided by 6, that is 30. So first angle x equal to 30. Second 2x equal to 2 into 30, 60. 3x, 3 into 30, that is 90. So measure of the three angles are 30, 60 and 90. These are our three angles. Now, which type of this angle is? If one angle is 90, then the triangle is right angle triangle. So our option number 2, right angle triangle. option is second, right angle triangle. (30, 60 and 90 angle. This angle is right angle triangle. Next question. Adjoining figure. There are two triangles A, B, C and D, E, C. These are the congruent triangle. By which test? Now observe the figure. BC in triangle ABC and triangle DEC, side BC, see the identical marks, BC congruent with CD, and these two angles are the vertically opposite angle, and you know that vertically opposite angles are congruent. So angle ACB congruent angle DCE vertically opposite. And side, number third side, AC congruent with CE. These two sides are congruent are given, but we write the vertically opposite angle. And vertically opposite angles are congruent. We need the three criteria, two sides and one angle, included angle. So test is, this is the side, then angle, then side. Side, angle, side test. So triangle ABC, congruent triangle DEC, and test is side, angle, side test. So our option is option number 4, side, angle, side test. Answer is option number 4, side, angle, side test. No need to write all that. Only observe the figure and write the answer. These two sides are congruent and opposite angles are congruent. Side, angle, side test. So option number 4 is right. No need to write all that. Only choose the correct option. Now next, same example. By which test triangle ABC and triangle ADC are congruent, where the congruent elements are shown by the identical marks. Look at this figure. Triangle is ABC, this one, and ADC. Not need to look at this BCD triangle. So only look at these two triangles. Now AB congruent with AD. Angle, this angle BAC angle congruent with DAC angle. Now only two are given. Two congruent parts are given. Test is for 3 parts. So look at these two triangles. AC is common. Common side are also congruent. AC congruent of this side of AC congruent with this side of the triangle. AC is congruent. So side, angle, side test. Side, angle, side test. Answer is option number 1. Next question. By which test ABC and triangle BCD, these two triangles are congruent? There are identical marks are given. AB congruent with side, CD, side AC, congruent side, AC side congruent with BD side. Only two sides, pair of two sides are congruent are given, and we need the 3 parts. So look at this picture. In triangle ABC and triangle BCD, which are the common? BC, here is the BC, here is also BC. BC is the common side. In triangle ABC, there is the BC side, and in triangle BDC, there is also a BC side. So side BC, congruent side BC, common side, and common side are always congruent. So Three sides, side, side, side. This is side, side, side. Congruent with side, side, side. So test is S, 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 test for congruence of triangle. If you like the video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.